Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a behind the scenes look at how I create my YouTube videos. I use AI tools like Canva, Grok, Microsoft Clipchamp, and Suno, alongside trusted hardware like Logitech and Audio-Technica. This brings everything together. So let's get started. Thumbnails are the visual hook that grabs attention and encourages clicks. I use Canva's AI Dream Lab to create them. By describing my vision like a refined tech aesthetic, the tool generates polished designs in seconds. I then tweak the options or I add a personal touch, ensuring the thumbnail is professional and aligned with my branding. A solid script is the key to every video. I use AI tools like Grok and ChatGPT to generate outlines, transitions, and drafts based on my ideas. This saves time while ensuring clarity and coherence. Afterward, I refine the script to make sure it feels natural and engaging. Once the script is ready, I use a web-based prompter called Prompter to display the script right in front of the camera. This keeps my delivery smooth, organized, and perfectly paced, ensuring the videos feel polished yet approachable. My filming setup is flexible depending on the video's style. For casual takes, I use a Logitech webcam. For higher quality production, a digital camera. And for convenience, my Samsung smartphone. For clear audio, I rely on external microphones like Audio-Technica or Logitech Blue Yeti, both of which deliver crisp, clear sound quality. I also use a drawing tablet for sketching ideas or demonstrating visual concepts directly on camera. These tools are easy to find online, for example, at Amazon. This is for anyone looking to replicate this setup. After filming, I edit using Microsoft Clipchamp, which handles both video editing and screen recording. The premium version lets me film in 4K resolution for clean, high-quality content. Clipchamp's AI voiceover generator is especially useful for adding quick narration without re-recording audio.
Hello, how are you?
It also includes features like auto trim and noise suppression that speed up editing. For simple graphics or annotations, I sometimes use classic tools like Microsoft Paint, which still gets the job done. Once everything is finalized, I back up all the video files using Google Cloud Storage, which keeps them safe and accessible. To enhance my videos further, I add background music using Suno, an AI-powered music generator that creates my custom tracks tailored to the mood of my content. By specifying details like genre or instruments, AI-powered Suno delivers tracks that fit perfectly.
Listen to Richard Tokar, Tech Review.
And that's my process behind the scenes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on my latest content. Please share your own video creation tips or equipment recommendations in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for watching.